Good morning! Today I am going to be reviewing my Instax Mini 8. I call it my Polaroid camera. I know it's not, I know it's not actually a Polaroid, but that's what it reminds me of. So, I love this camera. I love the size. As soon as these started to get like popular and people were like posting the pictures like on Instagram, I was like, oh my gosh, I need one of these, and I'm so happy I got it. It's like the best purchase that we've made in a long time. We've had it for about since 2015, and we used to take pictures like every day, and we strung them up on little like on a little string with like fairy lights. It's just, we love it so much. If you're into like having actual, sorry, the dog's doing something funny. If you're into having like actual like physical pictures, like this is the way to go. It's so awesome. So let's get into the review. So this is the camera. I have big hands, so I don't know if you're gonna get an accurate like size of it. Mine came with a little wristlet, which I love. They've actually stopped making the Mini 8 now, and I think they're on, it's like a 90 maybe, that's kind of does the same size pictures. But I will put the link, you can still get them on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But if you're, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Basically, the manufacturers stopped making this. People are still selling them like through Amazon, but if you want to get like anything, I don't know what I'm trying to say, you can't get these for very much longer is what I'm saying. So, but the 90 is the same size. So the way it works is you just press this little button, the shutter opens, and there's a little light adjuster for like house, cloudy, sunny, and like super sunny. And this took me like so long to figure out. I still struggle with like which one to use, because you can adjust, click to which one you want, but I don't know, like this thing, is it telling me which light to use, and then you have to click it over there? Like I wish it was just automatic. So that's one thing that I guess could go for the review. And then it's basically just like a point and shoot. You point this little button and then the little thing comes out. So that's that. So pros of this thing. It's easy to use. I know that just kind of like went against what I said about the lighting, but I mean, as far as like, there's no like power, there's no charging. It takes batteries right here on the side, just 2 AA batteries. So super easy to use, and basically you just point and shoot. It's awesome. The film is easy to install. I'm not going to take off the cover, because if you open it, you kind of like mess up your picture. That's what happened with this one. It wasn't working, and it's because one of the batteries was not in correctly, and so I took a picture and this is what came out. I mean, I took this off to check like, oh, am I out of film? And no, this is what came out. So don't take this off unless you're ready to change it, but it is super easy to change. I'll get into the film later, but it's basically a little package like this. You just rip this open, stick it in, you're good to go. And like I said, I love the wristlet, because if I was, like most of the time we just pick it up, take a picture, and set it back down. But if I just wanted to carry it around to take multiple pictures, I like that it has this. They also have cases for them, which I thought would be cool, which I've thought about, because maybe I would like take it with me more places and use it. If like I could get like the case that has like a little, like basically like a little purse for it. So we might get that eventually. The cons of this thing, like I said, is the setting. It's just hard to figure out, and I don't know if it's like, maybe this is why they stopped making these ones and they fixed it on the other ones. But so like, say right now it's showing, let's see, okay, so you can't really see, but right now it's showing house. But I guarantee you, if I was to like put it on the house setting and took a picture, either it comes out, the people are very white and the background is black, or like the whole picture is like super white, kind of like looking like this. So yeah, the setting has been difficult to learn, and I would say like we're still working on learning it. It just kind of like wing it, like sometimes it comes out good and sometimes it doesn't. The next thing, oh, that's to go with setting, is trouble with the lighting. Another con is the film is not cheap. The film can be quite expensive, like especially if you're just going into a store. Like I know they sell it at Michael's. I know they sell it at Best Buy, and if you're getting it there, it can be pretty expensive. I want to say it's like I would say averaging like $15. But this like 2-pack, so you get 2 of these inside, and there's 10 pictures in each. So you put this in and you got 10 pictures to go, which is why you don't want to like go through it very quickly. But you can get bulk orders of film on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. The most I've ever got was a package, and I think it was 3 of these. So 10 packages in each. So you got like 60 pictures, or you know, like 60, yeah, pictures. And I think I worked it out to like, what was it? Maybe like less than $1 a picture, I think. But like it worked out to like one of these was like $8, which is the cheapest that you'll be able to get it. So they come in different groupings. Like you can just get like a 2-pack, you can get a 4-pack, or you can get like a 6-pack. I don't know if they have 10, but anyways, I'll put the links down below on Amazon where you can get cheaper packages of film. Like that's like the best bargain, I think. It's obviously, it's more bulky than just like your phone, but these are like super trendy right now and so cute. Like I said, you can hang them up, you can give them to people, you can stick them in like Christmas cards. I just think they're awesome. And I think that's about all. Oh, they also make black and white film. So I love black and white pictures, and I haven't ordered the black and white film yet, but that's definitely on my list for this Christmas. I really want to get another Instax camera. I want the wide one, which I'll put the link down below for that as well. But basically the film, because these are pretty tiny, you know, like it's like maybe like 2x4. It's so small. Maybe even smaller, like 2x3. But the wide one, the picture is more like this, kind of like this, like a landscape more than a Polaroid. And I love it. I want it so much. I think I'm gonna get it for myself for Christmas because I really want it. And that's the only one that I've seen so far. And they have now one more. So they have the wide, which I'll put the link for that down below. And then they have one more, which the pictures are more like this size. So it's like your old school Polaroid size pictures, like just like a square. So I would love to have that as well. I'd like to have like all of them, like a little collection of all of them. So I'll leave all the links down below for the Instax Mini 8, the 90, the wide, and the original kind of like size one, which is more expensive. This was maybe like $90. I can't remember. The wide I know is about 90, and then the bigger one with the bigger pictures I think is, I saw like 270, so it's the most expensive one. But yeah, so let me know if there's any more tips or tricks that you have with your Polaroid, like cheaper film, cases, such and such. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If there's anything else that you would like to see me review, please leave that down below, because we're going to try to get back into doing some more reviews of the products that we love. So thumbs up if you like this, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Ciao.